Hi guys, welcome to Bake Gluten Free, where I do cooking videos here on YouTube, and then with my food I go through Paris to take beautiful photos for my Instagram. You can check that out on bake_gluten-free. Today we are making this delicious gluten-free chocolate cake that you can add any fruits of your choice. I choose mango. You're gonna take a bowl in which you're gonna put 240 grams of all-purpose gluten-free flour. It's approximately 2 cups. You're gonna add 2 cups of sugar, which is approximately 400 grams. I know it's a lot, but it's delicious cake. A bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. If your flour has one, you can omit a bit. Whisk that. In a cup of water, you are going to add cacao, butter. It's like a cup of butter. I know, again, it's a lot, but it's delicious. You're gonna bring that to the boil and bring it back. You're gonna bring it to the boil while whisking constantly. And then you're going to add it to the dry ingredients. And then you're going to mix it with a mixer to combine everything. Some vanilla extract, buttermilk, two eggs. I already greased this pan, and then we are gonna transfer the butter, half of the butter into the greased pan and half to another. Make sure to get them evenly. When you poke a toothpick through them, they should have a little cake stuffs on it, but not the butter.